why did the British not create a separate state for the Kurds? Okay, so we have to understand what the British were doing when they were colonizing the world. They did not colonize India and other parts of the world to do some good to the local people, right? They basically colonized these countries for the sake of plunder and extraction. They had no benevolent intentions, right? They were not some NGO coming to improve your condition and to uplift your nation. Their only agenda was to enrich themselves at the expense of the conquered lands and the conquered territories. And wherever they went, when they withdrew, they left behind more strife. They partitioned India into several pieces instead of unifying India, because they had no intention of doing any good in India, and they wanted to keep conflicts simmering in this region so that they could extract long-term geopolitical benefits, continuing geopolitical benefits, because they still had interests in the Gulf region and they wanted Pakistan to be on their side. So they divided India into these pieces. And similarly, when it comes to Kurdistan, they had no interest in uplifting or giving justice to the Kurdish people. How did they care about anybody? All they cared was that they got their oil from the Middle East region. And that's why they created all these fragmented states in the Middle East. These are all artificial states. Iraq and Jordan and Syria and all that. These borders are going to change. We are already seeing the slow redrawing of the boundaries in the Middle East. So these are all artificially created boundaries. Many of them are just straight lines that just doesn't work. These things will change over time by the forces of geopolitics and history and power. So that's why the British, basically the entire Middle East conflict is a legacy of the actions of the British during the time they were in occupation of these lands. So they were not interested in doing any justice to anybody. The Kurdish people have been basically bereft of a homeland for several centuries. And how would the British care? So that's why the British did not create a separate state for the Kurds. And I don't think the Kurds will have a separate state anytime soon. The Kurdish people are divided across a number of countries, across Iran and Turkey and parts of Syria, Iraq as well, probably, right? And it's hard to see them acquiring a country of their own anytime in the coming years or decades. So I hope that answers your question. The British were not a benevolent force. They were an oppressive, extractive force. They were a force of plunder. Their only intention was to break up countries, to devastate peoples, and to extract all the resources and enrich themselves. And that's why they have such a high standard of living, and that's why their GDP is so high, right? It's all the result of plunder and extraction.